Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit representing Doremi, and now I was doing a painting. Do you want to see my painting? If you want to see this video, please comment me. Okay, I will make the video on that canvas painting. It's your platform too. Doremi is a platform, nourishes the start to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. And you are going to see one of our talent. Next time it might be your turn. Please like, subscribe to motivate our participants. Please like the video to encourage the participants.